100 naira! That's power. Now you want to take back this woman's shop. See how many promote in the shop? 100 naira.
This one I
can't talk.
You
I see the rate. You are stingy to yourself. I know you. You not be calling 100 naira about that man. Because the way...
Don't sit there.
Really?
Hey! Back!
Hello? So please let me call you back.
That you don't do. Okay, wait.
Finish.
Wait. Madam.
Okay, what is it now?
Why you come out from the...
What is the problem?
Who tell you to come out from motor? Eh? Now you be the problem, madam. I see you dey drive, no seat belt. Number 2, you dey make call while you dey drive. Number 3, you come, they drive recklessly, you want jam me. In fact, na quadruple offense you don't commit.
Okay, look, I'm a legal professional. Eh? First, you cannot prove that I was not wearing seat belt, so I was making phone calls, so you cannot charge me. Please.
Wait, okay, yo, you want, madam, where you think you're going?
What's wrong with you now?
Respect yourself, oh. You know send my job I dey do. You say you know send my job.
Yeah, thank you.
So, I go do my job and you go do your job. My job is to protect life and properties for road. And me, I will protect you from yourself by arresting you. You know where seat belt. You dey make call. Okay. Who you be?
Please, I don't have time for all this.
Yeah, who you be? Okay. I think you come out. Stop.
What happened now? You say person shoot. So now here you dey, they protect the lives of citizens. No dey shame. Shh. Officer, which are you reading there now?
Go tomorrow. So you follow us the road. Is that when you protect us?
Oh, police. Okay, so now today you be the ordinary citizen, abi? You don't see a bullet, no respect uniform.
Come, madam, I never finished with you.
Cut us!
With this,
what is this?
see, with this your stupid wig, where you wear?
Shut up! See you, officer, with the piece of body, you know they shame.
Oh. Titus. See, such you be. Such you mess yourself up, mess me up, join. Such you embarrass me, embarrass yourself.
Not my fault.
You never hear gun before?
What did we do?
See,